We on a boat. We on a boat. I'm Jeff.
I'm Mary.
Lutz Getaway.
Beautiful morning in Boyne City. Walking to Beanie's in downtown Boyne City for coffee.
If you remember, we had a leak from a water fitting for the sink on the aft deck.
Female pipe thread, half-inch female pipe thread. Okay, faucet. Fluid master, no burst. I am replacing this half-inch supply line that goes for our specific, well, for our sink in the after deck. So, get that there. Go down to the hardware store.
After fixing the sink, the next day we went for coffee again, this time at the Lake Charlevoix Coffee Company.
Before or after you blow?
Doing that the whole song.
What? Alright,
We gotta wait till they're all lit.
Lit.
Because it takes a second, as you can see.
just wait a second. And we'll sing first. No,
Wait.
not yet, not yet.
Wait till we sing.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucy. Happy birthday to you. Gotta make a wish and then blow them out.
I did.
Okay,
Right.
blow them out. Woo!
You might be on video if you're on our boat.
That's okay.
Our oldest daughter, son-in-law, and two of our grandsons, with a few of their friends, joined us on a trip to Charlevoix, Lake Michigan, and back. We stopped the boat in Lake Charlevoix to let the kids jump and swim.
How is it?
Feels good.
Eli back foot.
Yo, Eli, bro, that's gonna hurt.
Yeah, he lands on his feet most of the time.
Okay. I'll just jump in first. Don't break my.
Did that hurt?
No. Just do it, dude. Bro, it's not bad.
How's it? Okay?
Dude, that felt way longer than I thought it would be. Yeah.
It's fun. It's not even bad. Now your turn, Blake.
Shelly?
What's that? I'm gonna see how far I can go down. He's building his confidence up.
How's the water?
It feels so good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Not too cold?
It's like cold, but it's like a good cold, you know?
Not too cold that
Yeah.
you're gonna cramp up and drown?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good.
The Northern Lights were active. We watched the little grandkids for a few days.
Can't reach.
We got the whole family together and had all 8 grandkids on the boat for another boat day. This one was cloudy and cool, but all had fun. We did a quick trip to Gaylord to have dinner with our friends.
Okay, a little update for y'all. We are moving the boat from the Boyne City Marina to the Harborage Marina, which is just basically right around the corner. We've had some electrical issues because the Boyne City Marina has new power towers, and they're just too sensitive for our boat, our old girl. And so we're moving to a different marina that still has non-updated towers. So, and then the electrician's gonna come out and work on the boat some more. So, Charlotte, Boyne City, Michigan. Such a beautiful place in the summer and fall.
We got to attend a few of our grandson Keegan's football games.
And they're gonna pass because Keegan's going out wide.
Mary?
We are on our way to Frankfurt.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.